In this video, I'm going to show you how to decompress your back in 30 seconds. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. So does your back feel jammed up, maybe really compressed, and what it feels like it needs is a deep pulling stretch? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to go over easy decompression exercises that are going to offer that deep pulling stretch to reduce pressure on the back. These exercises are especially good for minor aches and pains in the back, but all the way to more severe conditions such as bulging discs that may be causing sciatica. A note about these exercises, they all work just a little bit differently. To get the best results, go through them all, use what gives you the most relief. As a bonus, all of the exercises can be done at home, require no special equipment, and you may find give relief within 30 seconds. With that being said, let's get started. Here's an easy decompression exercise that you can do using a sturdy chair, preferably one without wheels. To get into position, we're going to start off on our knees, so make sure to put a pillow or towel underneath them for extra comfort. So let's go right next to our chair. You want the front of your thighs right here touching or as close as possible to the edge. And then from there, you're just going to take your hands and grip off to the side. Keep your arms straight at the elbow during this exercise. From here, I'm going to tuck my chin towards my chest and then put all of my lower body weight onto my toes. Then I'm going to slowly lift my knees upward. We only need to raise our knees about an inch or two. In this position, you just want to allow everything to relax. Don't try to tighten your core muscles or any muscle, period. Just allow gravity to pull everything downward towards the floor. You're going to feel a really good stretch form throughout the back, especially the lower back. This is the decompression traction that's helping take pressure off of everything, including those spinal discs, hopefully giving instant lower back and sciatica pain relief. But in this position, I like to hold it for roughly 20 to 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Just let out as much tension as you can. From there, you're just going to relax and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. I know a lot of people won't have the arm strength to be able to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. So if that is the case, do the best you can, even if it's 5 seconds. At that point, try to do this for 60 to 90 seconds, split into as many repetitions as you like. So to take this one to the next level, we can start to add some more motions in there to hopefully open up the back a little bit more. So let's get back into that original position right here. This time around, I'm just going to rock my hips forward and backward like this, just very, very gently. Again, you'll just notice it opens up the back a little bit differently. So give that one a try. You can also take your hips from left to right, kind of like a pendulum swing. So just kind of get back into that position and take them slowly left to right. But go through all of those positions. If you feel like one is offering more relief, at that point, throw more repetitions in. Here's 2 decompression exercises that you can do standing. For the first one, we need 2 sturdy objects that are roughly the same height. Make sure that these can support your body weight. So the edge of a table works. You can also use something like a desk, even 2 sturdy chairs. To get into position, put yourself in between them. Take your hands like this and then point your fingers away from your body and then rest your hands right at the edge of those objects. What we want to do is have very good straight upright posture. So again, don't try to round into this one. We're then going to put all of our body weight onto our heels, or as much as we can, and then what you're going to do, keeping your arms straight, is just bend your knees and lower your body weight downward towards the floor. It's kind of like squatting down but resisting against it with your arms. As you do this, you're going to really feel a good stretch form throughout the back, but really aim to feel it in the lower back. Keep going down as much as you can and then hold this comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. From there, you're going to relax, take a breather, and then repeat this one 3 to 5 times. If you want to make this one more challenging, what you can do is instead of putting your body weight onto your heels, just place them on your toes like this. You're going to feel a much deeper stretch into your back. But again, just allow everything to relax and allow gravity to take your body weight down as much as you can. From here, you can go over similar motions just like we did in the first exercise. So you can do a kind of like a hula hoop motion, kind of like a rolling motion with your hips. So give that one a try. Do it clockwise and then switch it up and do it counterclockwise. And you can also do a pendulum swing like this from side to side. So if any of those motions offer more relief, throw more repetitions in at that point. So if you only have one sturdy object, you can also do something similar. The only thing is with this one, make sure that it doesn't irritate your wrist. So if you have anything like carpal tunnel or something like this, I would kind of make sure that before doing this, you're able to even get in this position. So what I'm going to do this time around is just get really close to whatever object that I'm using. If you're able to, try to put your hands off to your side like this, but you can put them straight forward. From here, we're going to have our thighs touching the edge of that surface, and then I'm going to do a very similar motion. I'm going to keep my back straight, put all of my body weight onto my toes like this, and then from there, I'm just going to allow gravity to take all of my body weight downwards. So just relax into this one as much as you can. This one actually feels really, really good. Again, try to hold this one for 20 to 30 seconds. You're just going to relax, and then you're going to repeat this 3 to 5 times. Here's an easy decompression exercise that you can pretty much do anywhere, including at work. For this one, we need a sturdy chair, again, preferably without wheels, but this time around, we need one with armrest. To get into position, what you're going to do is sit right towards the edge of that chair, take your hands, grip right onto the armrest. You're going to straighten your legs and place all of your lower body weight onto your heels during this exercise. From here, pretty straightforward. We're just going to slowly lift our body upward like this. Go up as far as you can. In this position, allow everything to relax. Don't try to tighten anything. Just let gravity take all of your body weight downward. You're going to feel, again, a very good decompression traction throughout the back. It usually feels really good. Try to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. If you're not able to hold it for that long, do the best you can. Try to hold this roughly for 60 to 90 seconds, split up into as many reps as you like. But again, I like to try to do this one for 20 to 30 second holds for 3 to 5 times. If you would like to take this one to the next level, what you can do is start to put some more motion in the back. So try to do that hip pendulum swing like that. See how it feels. You can also do a rolling motion like this and throw in more repetitions on any position that helps you out a little bit more. But this is something that you can use throughout the day. Here's an easy decompression exercise that you can do in bed or on a floor. In fact, if you have a lot of back tightness and pain, I would recommend doing this one daily. It's going to be based off a popular yoga pose, the child's pose, but I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level. To get into position, let's start on all fours like this. I like to have my hands slightly out in front of me. From there, I'm going to tuck my chin towards my chest and then rock my whole body backward like this, taking my bottom towards my heels. Go back as far as you can. You should feel a deep opening stretch form throughout the whole back. When you can't go back any further, to intensify the stretch, take your fingers, crawl forward as much as you can. It will really intensify it. And then from there, you want to allow your chest to sag downward towards the bed or the floor. Again, you're going to feel a deep opening, pulling stretch through the whole back, and it usually feels really, really good. Hold this comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds, but if it feels good, you can hold it for longer. And do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let out as much tension as you can. From there, you're just going to relax, take a breather, and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. So this is how we can take it to the next level. Instead of keeping our upper body straight, tilt it towards one side a little bit. So I'm going a little bit towards my right. As you do this, what you're going to notice is it intensifies that stretch on the opposite side. So if you have a lot of one-sided lower back pain or even sciatica, tilt your body towards the other side and you'll notice it might relieve it a lot more. So give that a try towards the right and also towards the left. If any of those positions offer you more relief, throw more repetitions in at that point. If the exercises help, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.